a new thought for the day. Every day is a new day. So start your day freshly. A thought for the day is a daily quote that gives you a positive opinion to start your day with encouragement and inspiration. Today's thought for the day is when you talk, you are only repeating something you know. But if you listen, you may learn something new. I repeat, when you talk, you are only repeating something you know. But if you listen, you may learn something new. It means if you are only talking, you will be telling to everybody the same thing, whatever you know. But if you listen to everybody, you will learn new things so that your knowledge will grow. So, you listen more than you talk. Start your day freshly with good thoughts. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.